Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up. The week ended 8th December 2023. Your weekly guide to all the key events in the equity markets. US job openings fell by 617,000 to 8.733 million, the lowest level since March 2021. US unemployment rate fell to 3.7%, which is better than expected 3.9%. A separate survey by the University of Michigan pointed that one-year US inflation expectations fell to 3.1% from 4.5%, boosting expectations of a soft landing. In India, RBI's Monetary Policy Committee unanimously decided to keep the key rates unchanged, with the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. India's GST collections rose by 15% year-on-year, rupees 1.68 lakh crores in November 23. India's manufacturing PMI rose to 56 in November 2023 from an 8-month low of 55.5 in October 23. India's services PMI fell to a one-year low of 56.9 from 58.4 in October 23. Nevertheless, the PMI readings continue to remain fairly strong. India's equity markets were boosted by state election results, which showed the BJP winning 3 Hindi heartland states of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This boosted the Indian Nifty 50 index to a new lifetime high, up 701 points for the week. The broader market indices also did well. The BSE mid-cap index was up 2% and the small-cap index was up 1.33%. Among sectoral gainers, the BSE Power Index rose by 13%. Among sectoral losers, the Nifty Pharma and the Nifty FMCG indices closed with marginal declines. Among select market movers this week, shares of Tata Power rose by 17% after the company acquired the Bikaner-Neemrana power transmission project from the Rajasthan government. Shares of various Adani Group companies rallied sharply during the week. Ambuja Cements share was up 12% after it completed the acquisition of Sanghi Industries. Shares of Paytm or 197 Communications fell 25% after the company announcement that it will scale back small ticket loans and restructure its buy now pay later business. Shares of Balrampur Chini slid 16% this week after the government directed sugar mills to not use sugarcane juice for ethanol production. FIIs continued to be net buyers, buying rupees 9,285 crores of equities and cash. DIIs too continued to be net buyers. US markets also closed in the positive territory. Both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite are now trading very close to the calendar year till date highs. In this section, we discuss select reports published by HDFC Securities research teams. Our institutional team initiated coverage on IRM Energy, which is a city gas distribution company with operations in Banaskantha in Gujarat, Fatehpur Sahib in Punjab, among others. The company is likely to commence operations in NNT. We expect a strong 42% CAGR volume growth between FY24 to FY26. We have a target price of Rs 580 per share. Our institutional team also initiated coverage on Happiest Minds Technologies, which is a high-growth, high-quality IT services company. Our analyst believes that potential recovery in discretionary services will have a disproportionate impact for the company. We initiate coverage on the company with an ad recommendation and a target price of Rs 935 per share. SRF is better placed to withstand the headwinds facing the chemicals sector. Management expects Q3 FY24 to be better than Q2 FY24 and the fourth quarter to be better than the third quarter. We have increased our target price to Rs 2,590 per share and retained our ad rating. Our retail research team came out with a note on Subros Limited. The government has issued a notification making it mandatory to install air-conditioned cabin for high-tonnage trucks from Jan 1, 2025, and this could provide a boost to the company's revenue. We have a base case fair value of Rs 469 and a bull case fair value of Rs 513 per share. That is all for this week. Please do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screen. Please note that the securities discussed in this presentation were for education and information purposes only. Thank you.